Want to easily share your TikTok profile? Use your QR code. Here's how to find it. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Next, tap the three dots or the share button, typically found next to your bio. A menu will appear. Select QR code. This will display your unique scannable QR code. Now you can let someone scan the code directly from your phone or download it. Tap Save or Download to save the QR code as a PNG or JPG file, which you can then share via messaging apps, email, or other social media platforms. Scanning this code redirects directly to your profile, bypassing the need for searching by username. Key steps: tap your profile picture, access the Share menu, select QR code, and download or scan to share your profile instantly. TikTok QR codes offer some cool features. You can personalize your QR code with profile themes that match your bio colors, adding a touch of your style. Don't worry about privacy. Your QR code doesn't include personal data beyond your profile link and doesn't expire, but you can regenerate it if needed. As for future trends, look out for dynamic QR codes that automatically update with profile changes. Also, expect augmented reality integrations, where scanning a QR code triggers TikTok AR effects. You may also find broader adoption in offline marketing, like billboards or products with physical QR placements. Be cautious of potential security risks, such as malicious scans, but TikTok's built-in safeguards help to mitigate risks. To summarize, QR codes can be customized with themes, maintain privacy by not storing personal data, and future trends include dynamic updates, AR effects, and offline marketing. Just stay aware of security risks.